All right, what's up, guys? We're going to do a little haul right now. We just came back from Peddlers Junction. We spent $180 on all this stuff you see right here. We bought 2, 4, 6, 7 BTS dolls. I don't know if you guys know who BTS is, but they're the hottest band on the planet right now. They're from Korea. They're K-pop. I should be able to sell those at my store. I paid $2.99 a piece for those. I'm probably going to ask $10 or $12 a piece at the store. Show you some of this. We got some TTM fuel. We ended up buying packs of the Senior League. These Senior League packs. Let's see. They were 50 cents a pack. I'm not sure how many people in there signed their mail, but yeah, we got quite a few packs of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Got 16 packs of them, so we paid $8 for those. And these were cool. I've been wanting to get some more 88 Flea because I like that set. Shout out to Isaac. I think he puts the 88 set together. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 packs of those. Cello packs. So those are pretty. Kelly Gruber, he signed his mail. So I grabbed all they had of those. These were only 50 cents a piece too. That's a so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's $3.50 for those. We got these for $2. I don't know what they look like, but I guess hopefully there's drivers on every card because I'm going to start sending some NASCAR guys. I needed some fuel for some NASCAR guys. Found this Van Halen DVD for $3, and I can sell this for about 20 to 25 at my store. I never see these movies, so I knew this was rare. I looked it up. The cheapest one listed right now is one that they say is a new open box, and they're asking $129, so I'm going to probably put, I don't know, about $80 on this one maybe. So we paid $3 for that. We got a Greg Jeffries signed baseball, and it is on a William White ball. He's not the easiest autograph, so I figured, what the heck. Got that for $10. Got a Fergie Jenkins, but it's on official league ball, but it still looks nice. I mean, paid $10 for that. Got another Fergie Jenkins on official league ball, paid $10 for that one. Got a Brooks Robinson. I think it's yep, it's on official league ball too. They're not the best balls, but still, you know it's a real autograph. I only paid $10 for it. Nice Steve Garvey. That's probably an old autograph, and the Sharpie's still held up on it. It's official league ball. Paid $10 for that. Another Brooks Robinson on the official ball, official league. Paid $10 for that one. I'm not going to pass up $10 Brooks Robinson balls, you know. The White Gooden. This is on a official ball, William White ball. Cool. That's awesome. I like the White Gooden. Another Steve Garvey. Man, that held up good. You can tell these are old. Another official league ball. I debated on buying official league balls, but I thought, man, I couldn't pay Steve Garvey $10 to sign a ball, and then I'd have to buy a ball, then I'd have to send it to him. There we go. There's another nice one, Steve Garvey, and that is on a Bart Giamatti ball. So that's an old ball, Bart Giamatti. That's from the 90s. Or the 80s. He died, what, 90? I think. And here's the last ball. Another Fergie Jenkins. It's on official league ball. Like I said, I couldn't pass those up. $10 baseballs. Like I said, normally I don't find this much stuff down there. I mean, I'll find stuff, but I don't usually spend 180 bucks. Then I bought this. This was only $1. This is a CD set. I saw the past, some have sold for about 20 bucks, so I went ahead and bought it for $1. I'll give it a try. Then I bought this 1987 edition. I didn't look at every single page real good, but from flipping through it, I didn't see any page. Well, just when I say I didn't see anything missing, I don't see any of those for some reason. It's got everything but those. I don't know if those were inserts or something, but I've sold these before for like 30, 40 bucks filled up, so I figure $2 wasn't a bad deal. And here's I remember doing these when I was a kid. I don't know what year that is. What year is this? I think this was 81 or something maybe. Yeah, 1981 official. Wow, these are nice. John Jefferson, he was one of my favorite players. Brian Sipe, Dan Fouts. This is nice. Like I said, I sifted through here, and it looked like they were all in here. This is there's a couple missing. Like I said, it was about closing time when I was doing this. What I might do is look and see if I can find. Like I said, it looks like each book's only missing a couple. So I may try to find this couple and try to finish them up for the heck of it. Brings back some memories. I figure for $2 I couldn't let that go. Like I said, it's a 1981 football. And I bought this. I seen one of these books going for about $20 online. It's a Madonna, some kind of tribute to Madonna collector's book with a bunch of pictures. This was a good deal. This is a sealed 9 pocket pages. $15 for 100. I thought that was a steal. I think I've been paying about 18 or 20 or 25 or something. I can't remember. And here's the last thing. I'm probably going to end up keeping this for myself. I didn't even look and see what size it was. It's like a newer one, you know, Def Leppard. But I sell these for $15 at my store, even used. But this is a really nice one. And the nice thing about this, like I said, it's a 4X. I think I can wear this. So I might just got me a new shirt for $5. But what we'll do is I'll do another video and we'll open up these old cards and see what I got. And then I'll do another video after that and we'll open up these 88 Flea and see what kind of TTM fuel we get. And then we'll open up these NASCAR cards too. Actually, I'm kind of anxious to see what's in these NASCAR cards. I'll go ahead and open these up here. Open these up now. I want to start sending to some NASCAR guys. I think that's Michael Waltrip. Too bad they're not labeled. I'll be able to recognize a lot of them. I know a lot of the old, like that's, what, Bill Elliott. I know a lot of the older guys, so it won't be hard. I actually lived in Charlotte for a while. Oh, there's not too many. There's multiple of the guys. Okay. Yeah, those are kind of cool. I don't know how many of those guys signed, but I guess we'll find out. Like I said, I'll be sending these off to get autographed. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, we'll do some opening videos of those other things. And like I said, tell me what you think. Would you have paid $180 for this stuff? Like I said, there's 2, 4, 6, 7 of those dolls. I'll probably get $15. Well, 10. Let's say $10 a piece. That's $70 right there. And then there's 10 autographed baseballs. I mean, those. If I sold those, I mean, those would be bare minimum 20, 25 bucks a piece probably. So, and like I said, those sleeves are, you know, probably a good deal at $15. And I got some TTM fuel. And I got that one movie that's going to go pretty high. I think it was a pretty good deal. I think I did pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down at the bottom. Please like. Please subscribe. If you hit subscribe, please hit all. That way you can check out all our videos, man. We do all kinds of cool stuff. Have a good one, guys. Thanks. Peace.